Click on the link below to get price. The Santa Fe Compact70 Dehumidifier is an impressive solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels in your home, especially in damp basements or crawl spaces. With a capacity of 70 pints per day, it effectively removes excess moisture, preventing mold growth and improving overall air quality. Its compact design makes it easy to fit into smaller spaces while still delivering powerful performance. One of the standout features of the Compact70 is its energy efficiency. Unlike traditional dehumidifiers, this model operates using less energy, making it an economical choice for long-term usage. It boasts an ENERGY STAR certification, ensuring that it not only conserves energy but also saves you money on utility bills. The unit operates quietly, allowing you to run it continuously without disrupting your daily activities. Installation is straightforward, requiring minimal effort. The included user manual provides clear instructions, and the unit is designed with a built-in pump for easy water removal, eliminating the hassle of manual drainage. The adjustable humidistat allows you to set your desired humidity level, and the unit will automatically turn on and off to maintain it, providing a hands-off approach to humidity control. Another great aspect is its durability. The Compact70 is built with high-quality materials, designed to withstand heavy usage while maintaining efficiency over time. Users have reported long-lasting performance, making it a reliable investment for those dealing with persistent moisture issues. While the Compact70 excels in many areas, it's essential to note that it's best suited for spaces up to 2,800 square feet. If you require a dehumidifier for larger areas, you might need to consider a more powerful model. Overall, the Santa Fe Compact70 Dehumidifier combines efficiency, effectiveness, and ease of use, making it a top contender for anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality and combat moisture problems. Its compact size, energy savings, and reliable performance make it a worthwhile addition to any home.